Hello. So, hi everybody. This is a practice problem or an example of a word problem that uses quadratic form, quadratic in standard form. This is standard form. This will be a parabola if we graph it. And we're going to have to find the vertex in order to answer the questions. So here's the scoop. Let's use our graphing calculator so we can get a little practice on it. Pause the video and read the word problem. Okay. Let's put this equation into the calculator. So, clear everything out, make sure that everything is clear, that there's no memory in there. And I'm going to use this key right here. Ooh, let me go down. Here's the negative right here. I go again. This is the negative right here. You have to use that negative. Negative. There we go. And that's what it looks like. So it's a negative 0.853. Here's your x. X. When you square it, you can either use the squared key, which is right here, or you can use the caret and then type a 2. I'm going to use the squared, and it looks like that, plus 17.48x, your x is up here, plus 6.9. I'm going to stop and make sure that everything looks right. Negative 0. You don't need the 0. 853x squared plus 17.48x. That looks good. I'm going to graph it. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh. Boo. We need to find the vertex, and it's somewhere up here. We need to change our window. Our y value has to be increased, and then the x value also has to be increased because it goes up and we know that it comes down somewhere. So let's go to the window and change our y max to, I don't know, let's do 50 and just see what happens. Let's go to the x max and call it 50 and see what happens. If that doesn't work, we can always change it. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay, our x is good, the y isn't good. So go back to the window. We need to change our y max to, I don't know, call it 100. See what happens, you guys. Oh, it worked. Gorgeous. Okay. So we need to find this vertex right here. That's going to let us figure out the amount of studying produced, that's the x value, and then the highest score, that's the y value. So the vertex is going to allow us to answer these two questions. We're going to calculate, so second trace. Since it opens down, it's a maximum value. We need our left bound. Well, this is in the wrong place, isn't it? I need it to go all the way around to here. So I have x is 20. That's where that is. It is. You have to go left. Use your cursor all the way on the left side. Arrow left. Go down a little bit away from it. You don't have to be too far. And hit enter. Enter. Let's do it again. Now it wants our right bound. Right bound. It needs to go over to the right side of the vertex. Yeah, that's a good spot. Hit enter. Hey, do we want to guess? No, we want it to give us an answer. So hit enter one more time, and it gives me a maximum at 10.24, and then y equals 96.47. So it's 10.24, and then y is 96.47. Let's use that to answer the questions. What amount of studying produced the highest score in the exam? That's the number of hours. So you should study for 10 hours, we're rounding, to earn a score of 96%. That's a pretty good grade. Okay. Let's try another one. I'm going to tell you that you should pause the video, read the question, put it into your graphing calculator, and try to answer it all on your own. And after you're finished, start the video again and then check your work. Okay, here it is. I'm going to clear this out. Negative 0.0355 x squared, x is here, squared, plus 9.23 x is here, plus 10. So the archway opens down. It's an archway, so it opens down. So let's see what it looks like when you graph it. It goes up. Rats, it didn't come down. We're going to have to change our window. Let's call it 200 and 300 and just see what that does. 200 and 300. Oh, not enough. Holy Hannah, is this going to be super big? I'm a little nervous. Let me check my y equals 0.0355x squared plus, look what I did. It should have been 0.9. 0.9, there it is. Okay, we'll try that again. I messed that up. Oh, gosh, it's a little baby. Let's fix our window. I figured something was wrong, right? Okay, let's go back to here. We'll call it 50. And 50. We're making it go from negative 10 to 50, negative 10 to 50. Let's see what it looks like when we graph it. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. There it is. Okay, there's the archway. Let's find the vertex. Second trace. Second trace. That's the calculus. Since it opens down, it's a max. It's a max because it opens down. Cursor over to the left. That's a good spot. Over to the right, this is our right bound. Okay, do we want to guess? No, we don't want to guess. So just hit enter one more time. And it gives us our max at 13, comma, that's a 16. So how many feet from the wall of the tunnel does the ceiling reach its maximum height? So let's answer the question. It reaches max height 13 feet away from the wall. And then it says, what is the maximum height? Max height is 16 feet. It's a tiny little, that makes me nervous. Okay, that's it. Thanks, kids. Thanks for watching.